Well, January 20th. Yeah, if anyone was curious about the Swiss Champ knife, and this little hook, I never with that. Now it the multi-tool. It has this is a knife. It would work wonders. Straight edge knife. There's a can opener and there's a file, but the file, of course, is not as good as the other one. Oh, there's teeth on that file. On the bottom. Yeah. Well, this one has 13 tools on it. Yeah, but you could fashion just about any survival item you needed with this, as well as this. But this has 33 tools on it. So it obviously is much better than the Kilimanjaro multi-tool, and I'll have to buy some a Leatherman multi-tool at some point and see what it looks like. But either way, I'm always going to carry this, and I will always carry another multi-tool, and that way there I know I will never run out of tools to use in the bush if I had to do anything at all. Yep. Because, well, with just one of these alone, you could survive a short-term. You could survive short-term in an emergency if all you had was just one of these multi-tools. Yeah. But if you're ever going to buy a Swiss Army knife, the Swiss Army Camper's good. The other smaller knives are good too. But this is the granddaddy, and this is the one that you actually really want, because these tools can do an amazing number of things. I've made more fish hooks with this knife than any other tool, and it's the one that you could truly fall back on for survival. It's there's just so many uses for it. Alright, that's enough of this video here. I'll pack these up before Nicole comes back out again, and hopefully this little review will be useful. Yes. Alright, I shall see you online.